Hello Bon Bakers, and welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, welcome. I share lots of delicious home style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. And today you may have noticed that we're in a different kitchen to usual, and that's because my husband and I are on a little getaway, but you guys still need a new recipe video every week. So this time, today we're going to be making vegan cookies. These are actually no bake and you can whip them up in no time at all. These ones are chocolate, peanut butter and oat cookies. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. Let's get to it. These vegan cookies are really delicious, and they're also a great holiday recipe. Nice and healthy. They've got oats and natural vegan ingredients, so I know you're gonna love them. Come and check out the ingredients that you are gonna need. Over here we have some delicious, creamy, oily peanut butter. We've got some cocoa, we've got some almond milk, or you can use a different plant-based milk if you like. I have some vanilla extract or essence, some chia seeds, some rolled oats, these are whole rolled oats, and here is some maple syrup and some coconut oil. And for the full recipe to download or print, head to lebonbaker.com. A couple other things that you'll need, and one of them is a medium-sized saucepan, and I have here a cookie scoop, but you could also just use a regular spoon if you don't have one. I've got a spare spoon, a whisk, and another spoon. The first thing we're going to do is grab our saucepan and our coconut oil here, and we'll head on over to the stovetop. I've just turned this onto a medium heat, and I'm going to add in my coconut oil here, and we're just going to let this melt down. Now that our coconut oil has melted down, it's time to grab all of your other ingredients except for the oats and the chia seeds, and we'll head on over and grab your whisk as well. We'll need that too. All right, so you can go ahead and add everything else into this pot, stirring as you go. And we're only going to stir it for 2 minutes, not longer. And try not to mess around, you want to get it in here nice and quick if you can. As you can see, this starts to thicken really quickly within that 2 minutes. So as soon as that 2 minutes is up, we're going to take it off the heat and add in our oats. This looks really beautiful and glossy, and it's thickened really nicely. And I've got little chunks of peanut butter in there as well. So I can't wait for these cookies. But now it's time to add in our oats, and we're going to stir them all in. I think before we spoon them out, it's time for a sneaky little taste test. Wow. There's like a party in my mouth right now. These cookies are the bomb. Now with your cookie scoop or your ice cream scoop, We are going to use the batter here, scoop it out onto our baking tray, and then we're gonna let it set for about 30 minutes. Just before you pop it in the fridge, just sprinkle a little of those chia seeds on top. Now, as I've scooped out my cookies here, I have just pressed down on the top ever so slightly just to round them off a little bit and flatten them. As you can see, they're kind of like little chubby guys. So now it's time to add on our chia seeds to the top, and also if you used a peanut butter that's quite sweet, you could also add in a little bit of salt to the top of these if you like as well. And I'm just going to push in the little chia seeds just before we put them in the fridge to set. How cute do our little vegan chocolate peanut butter cookies look? They look so delicious. I can't wait to eat one, but first into the fridge for 30 minutes. While our cookies are in the fridge chilling out, I wanted to take this time to share with you a really nice inspirational quote. And quotes and mantras and wisdom from other people is definitely something that I like incorporating into my everyday life. I just find that hearing these words sometimes bring comfort, and I hope that they'll also bring comfort to you. And part of the reason why I wanted to do this is because baking is all about sharing and inspiring people. So I thought that this would be a really nice way to bring the two together. This quote I wanted to read because it really connected with me, so I hope that you'll find something in it as well. You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in the future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. And that is a quote by Steve Jobs. Love you, Steve, so wise. Guys, while we're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Le Bon Baker. I've got a new video recipe coming out every week, so hit that bell. And I love to hear from you, all of your thoughts and feedbacks. And if you want to learn anything, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So I've just taken my cookies here out of the fridge, and they need a minimum of 30 minutes, but they may take up to an hour or even longer depending on how thick you've made them. So just monitor yours and check them, and when they're completely set, then you can eat your cookies. Time to eat! Looks so good. This is a delicious cookie. Chocolate, peanut butter, oats, chia, no baking. These are a great holiday treat or snack on the go. I will warn you guys now, these little guys here are so delicious, really moreish and a bit addictive. So you're gonna wanna keep eating them all the time. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today and on my little getaway. I really hope that you enjoy these beautiful vegan cookies with chocolate, peanut butter, and oats. See you again next week. How cute do our little vegan chocolate, peanut butter, and oat cookies like? Sorry, go again. I will warn you now, these little guys are highly addictive and very moreish. So you just wanna.